Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow and a free guest posting backlink. So the website name is telroch.com. So this is a very hard word to pronounce, so sorry for that. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard, and I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you can access easily. So before the started, we can research something about this website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 64, and according to Moj, they don't have. Actually, today I exceeded search limit, so you guys can check on yourself. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 26.3k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, UK, UAE, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will create your backlink on this website. So now, so we can start. So first thing, you can click on the profile icon, and we can create our profile. So you can click on the register button. There you guys can add your username. So my company name is Jomma. Email address, then you guys will choose your password, and you can verify the captcha. Click on the register button, and yeah, username is already taken. So let me use something different. Jomma interview, and so okay guys, so our account is successfully created, and this is your profile dashboard. So we can click on the setting button, and we can update our details. So from there, this is your avatar, and this file is for avatar, might be. Let me update the logo, and I guess this is the this is for the logo, might be. Let me check. And the first one is where we can update a profile picture, profile banner picture. So let me use this. So, and there we can add our company name, and there we can add our locations, and there we can add a short description about our company. So this is the description, so we have already generated. And next, in the links section, there you guys can add your company or link details. So there we can add a Facebook URL, in the X, YouTube, and Instagram, Pinterest we have already, and all the things we have added. I guess LinkedIn are pending. And once you guys will update your all social details and profile details, so you can click on the save settings button. So your description should be under 50 characters, so you can keep in mind when you guys are updating your description. So our profile is successfully submitted, and now the time is to how we can create our bookmarking guest post backlink on this website. So after that, this video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. You can click on the, I guess the picture are removed, profile picture. So let me upload again. And after that, if you're wanting to upload your profile picture, your background image, so you can. And after that we can go to create our guest posting backlink. So in this section, in the title section, there you can add your article title. So we have already generated a fresh article for these things. So let me use 5 strategy to deal with healthcare employees. And in the category section, there you can add your category. So category is healthcare, health and fitness, and the recruitment, HR, I guess, human resources, G block software, and we can add a short description about this article. So let me use first paragraph. And now, yeah, so there you guys can add your actual content. So this is the content we can going to use on our article. So all the things we have already implemented in this article, so kind of hyperlinking and the headings tags, so we have already optimized our article. So you can see this is a h2 tag, and all the things we have already optimized. And if you wanting to insert your website hyperlink, your website URL in your specific targeted keyword, so you can select your keywords, and using this option you can able to insert your website URL. Okay, so we have added all the things. So now we can add a feature image. So let me search where we have featured image for this. I guess we haven't, so let me download it. So let me upload feature image, and I guess I haven't, this is haven't downloaded. So our featured image is successfully uploaded, and now after that we can add some tags. So tags is healthcare employee shortage. There we can add employee shortage, healthcare employees, CRUIT, recruitment software. And once you guys will complete your all the things, so after that you can click on the create button, and you can see successfully created. Your post will be show up after approval. So this website moderator team will take time, then they will review your article, and if your article is looks good and the plagiarism free, they will gonna to approve in this platform, on their platform. Okay, so this is your article, your guest post article landing page URL, and this is waiting for approval. And I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So today we have created a very high quality do follow guest posting backlink on this website. So this is a process for the guest posting, and if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So you guys can I guess you guys can help me something. Okay, so okay, bye bye and take care.